We make the strings
louder.
What's up guys, it's Matthew here and we're back with another video. This video is gonna be telling you guys if I should show my face in some of my videos. If you recommend me showing my face, just comment down below on playing. Comment down below on this video, and if I have 10,000 likes, and if you guys want me to do it, comment down below and like this video. Okay, peace, bye, and have a great day. Bye.